old school beat them then on my boom, 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 boom. So, Dwayne claims he doesn't have leftovers after Christmas. But for normal people, we can't eat everything. So, we can either eat the leftovers as it is, or we can revamp it to create a new meal. And Chef Bobby Jones, why the name the son so familiar? No, Bobby Flay. Bobby Jones is here with a tip or two. Good morning. Morning, so, this is what you are telling me. This is what Jamaican people eat for Christmas. Me never know, so we do the turkey thing.
The man them do the turkey thing same way.
Okay.
Yes, man.
So, but most of the time is ham.
Yeah, man.
And ham.
Chicken. Chicken.
Pork.
And then you now bring in the turkey thing.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we do with it when we have that big old ham and there are pieces on it and it's what's left from what's carved off? Or what do we do when the chicken used to stuff and them cut off the leg them and the wing them and you just have the little middle part of the carcass left?
All right. So what to do with the ham now, a quick twist. I did a ham mac and cheese.
Okay, so...
It's a cold mac and cheese.
So you don't, meaning you don't have to hot it up, you can just eat it out of the fridge. Do you know that eat it even if it was a warm mac and cheese?
Yeah, either way. But Chef, you can't just, why you move from just putting the ham in a piece of bread to all of this now?
If you get a little flair, man, you don't know, you ready to title, you just say chef.
Yeah,
chef.
I'm not doing chef. Right.
All right,
yes, man.
So we're prepared today now.
All right, so I'm doing a turkey sandwich with an aioli, with a turkey
aioli.
sandwich.
Remember that word there?
Me hear the word
yeah, man. Remember we have a chef for teaching.
But guess what? It is a cranberry aioli.
Aioli means sauce.
Yes.
Yeah, sauce. Remember.
All right, so let's
sauce
go.
And a tin can.
All right, so I'm doing the aioli and both I'm doing a jerk chicken salad as well.
Okay, all right.
All right. So first I'll be starting with I'm using baguettes bread.
Baguettes?
Any Jamaican can use the regular bread in which they can. You know baguettes bread?
No, we thought it was a bagel. But okay, we'll take your word for it. It is what you say it is.
All right. So I'm using a garlic butter, which I made overnight.
Oh, you just chop up the garlic and put it in the butter?
Yeah.
You blend it and them something like
You can just shred it as well.
Shred it.
And just mix it up with...
You know what I like? Rosemary butter.
Rosemary butter, that's what was used on the turkey.
Oh, look at that!
That's what you were smelling. That's what you were smelling earlier.
Can you eat so much food?
All right, so I just added the butter to it, right?
So spread the butter on the...
Yes, man, the garlic.
Baguette bread, bagel. So if you don't have a baguette bread, just use a bagel.
A piece of ado. Hello.
I just said it. The regular Jamaicans can use the regular sliced bread in which they have.
Ado can work.
All right, so I'm using... Let's go with the lettuce first then.
It don't matter what kind of lettuce, right?
No, I just choose to use romaine lettuce.
Chef, what shall I go on? I'm going to take that bucket.
Yes, because we can see the prettiness.
All right, what shall I go on? Yes, you want it?
I'll just hold this bottle for you.
That's
No.
All right.
No, not mine don't come back in, brother.
All right, so these now.
Carrots.
So these are carrot ribbons.
Ribbons?
Yes.
Didn't think of putting carrots
these are
in
very simple. Just use a peeler. You see him like you peel it.
Oh, yeah.
You just continue to do it.
Okay.
It's very easy to do.
Fancy, schmancy.
Yeah, man. You don't know our chef, so you have to
everything look different.
Just twist around, man.
Look a flair.
Yeah, all right.
Next?
So I'm using pepper jack cheese for this.
I love pepper jack cheese. And I shouldn't eat cheese, but I love pepper jack cheese.
All right, so I'm shredding pepper jack cheese on top.
And him couldn't just cut it like normal. People would just take the knife and say, no, got to be shredded so it looks good.
All right.
If you don't have pepper jack cheese,
use regular Lelo cheese.
Simple. Using the cheese spread you guys have. Using the turkey now.
All right. And that's a turkey with the rosemary butter.
Turkey with a rosemary butter.
Why not always make the thing look so nice and fancy?
When we do it, I literally too hard on it don't look so.
Continue saying until we're chefs.
Yeah, 2 bread and some...
2 tomato and 2 lettuce.
Slice tomato. Chuk chuk.
Yeah, man.
Done.
All right, so this now is the cranberry aioli sauce.
Drizzle it. Yeah.
No, man, that look good.
So
you see, them have a thing where they make the food look good. So, watcha. Cherry on top.
See, no, you want to eat that?
Yeah, so you want to eat that?
Yeah, it look appealing. And it's just a sandwich, you know.
It's very simple.
You think so no big or not, a sandwich, you know.
Fast.
And then when you're going to the store, how much money for this now? About 3 grand.
You watch this cost?
3 grand?
No, man. Yeah, about $1,200.
All right, you're still going to charge a fee.
US?
In US dollars.
6.
US. In this economy,
Here you are.
All right, so
Okay.
now I'm moving on to the salad.
So
US
let's
dollars.
just put this down here so we can have it looking all
So my
wonderful.
leftovers have been turned into $10 US.
What's a salad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's a sandwich, sorry. It's on baguette bread.
All right, so we're doing the salad, the jerk chicken leftover salad.
Yeah, so I'm using some romaine lettuce again.
That's the
That's
base
bed.
of your...
Base.
Yeah. So we know things, we
me that
learn
seafood?
things.
Alright, so watch
We
it
learn
now.
things this year.
So now, you know, I'm going to think to overpower with lettuce.
Right.
It's a little bit, just make it look neat and
Right.
plate. See carrot ribbon now
Rubbing your
again. man.
ribbons.
Yeah, man,
Voila.
just drop them on top like this.
Yeah.
All right, you can add some sweet corn and some green pea as well to it.
Okay.
Some twist, right, to your salads.
Green pea. All right. Work with it.
Twist
Anything
to your
you say.
salads. All right, sweet
And then
corn.
the corn.
So sure, people can call if they make them things for them.
Yes, man. Even Christmas Day, I tell you, I never had hand Christmas Day.
Are you serious?
Never had hand Christmas
I feel like I
Day.
need to start do that in the because my
Sure.
Christmas Day didn't now work out.
I'm not using mandarin.
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 So you can't
Yes.
use normal tangerine.
Of course you can if you have.
No, but the
Them
texture,
ice-
no, the texture of the tangerine is different from the mandarin. Mandarin easier for eat and them things
All
when
right,
you eat
so,
salad.
so watch
Serious
this
thing.
now.
I see something.
So like I want to tell myself do things like Jamaicans.
Yeah, man.
Someone cut up tomato them like Jamaicans.
Yeah,
Yeah, the tomato
Right.
cut up chop.
Yes, man. Same like our grandmother cut it
Is
for
what
me
is
when I grew up.
pineapple?
They're pineapples. They're
So
seen
it's
very
like
well.
fruity
Yes,
and
man.
sweet.
So if people want to find you, chef, for them Instagram, WhatsApp,
Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. So it's Chef Bobby J21 on Instagram, Bobby Jones Jr. JNR on Facebook. My numbers are 532 8026.
So 876 532
826, yeah.
Me like corn.
436 0992 is my next number. You can call any of them anytime. WhatsApp me. My email address, anytime I will answer.
Sir.
My email address is chefjonescuisine@gmail.com. Email me, I'll respond to you in 10 minutes as long as I'm not busy.
Wow.
Yes, man.
So now you just chop up chicken and fling him in there?
Chop
No,
up the
put in
chicken
there.
and
Oh,
fling
onions
in
are
them, man.
purple onions.
Purple
Can't
onions.
use regular onion because I'm hype, right?
If you do a
Can't
purple
use
onion,
tangerine because I'm hype.
if you do a purple onions,
Use a regular
White
onion.
onion.
regular onion. If you do a
Yes,
mandarin,
Tangerine or orange.
so,
Use
I'll
a
pick the
regular
orange.
onion.
Pick out one orange if you can't find
All
it.
right, so what you know now? I have some almonds and sunflower
Alright.
seeds to go in there.
Why put in almonds and the thing now?
Let's add in some crunch.
Texture. Yeah, we learn things this year, you know.
we
We
don't
thought
get
we
one
never
of
have
food.
sense. Yeah, them starve we.
So
I
everything
lose
was
weight.
roasted.
Roasted almonds.
Roasted almonds.
Roasted
And if you
sunflower
don't
seeds.
have time to roast it, eat it raw.
Yeah, advice.
Just fling
It
in
get a bit
the
of flavor.
almond
with
It
them
it.
and
gives a
eat
better
it.
flavor and it's
Better
firmer.
flavor.
So you put salt on it?
No.
No salt.
No salt. Natural.
You just, so how do you roast it? On
So
the stove?
I do a pot, a stovetop roast.
Oh,
Most
just put it
persons
in the
might
pot.
just put it in the oven, but I don't do that. That takes up more time and more gas.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? So stovetop, a non-stick pot.
Fling it in.
Fling it
chicka,
in.
chicka, chicka,
Hold
shake
on.
it
Chicka, chicka.
round.
Hold on.
Just until you get that aroma which you need.
Oh, they are raw.
Right?
Okay.
You're gonna smell that lovely scent. You just want to eat it same
All
time.
right.
Okay.
Yes, man. So I'm adding some raisins right now.
I'm going to
Raisin.
fry some almonds.
Yes, man. Some raisins.
I like some.
All right, so I'm adding 2 different cheese to it now. So I'm adding a Parmesan cheese and a shredded cheese.
You going to grate this too?
Yes, man. I
Of
have
course,
to
we're
go to the
thinking about
cheese.
it. Got a big chunk of cheese in it.
Oh, you want me to do that?
For me, I'm just throw the cheese in there one time. You know.
Yeah, man.
But me different. Me, I'm not chef.
Yeah.
You just doing.
You're
So
just
tell you
doing.
what, hire a chef.
Yeah, I mean,
That's sound.
May I think about it? For the Christmas,
Wow.
ooh, that just look nice. Like you want to eat it.
even without the jerk chicken.
Yeah. Well, that's how we would eat it.
Yeah.
We would stop there. For those of us who had these things in our fridge left over, we would stop
Well,
here if you
I
don't
have
eat
a
meat.
confession.
You ate the meat over the
I
Christmas?
had a piece of chicken over Christmas.
Really? Where did that chicken come from, Dwayne?
Seaweed chicken.
Where did you get the chicken?
All right.
Huh?
So some jerk. This is some jerk chicken now.
And you know what? I even said to Bugs in that, should I eat a piece of ham? And I'm saying, if it's going to make a turn back, don't do it.
And guess what?
Alright. Me eat it.
This
soon.
is multi-purpose.
So that can go as a sauce
Can go
on the
on as a
salad as
dressing
well.
as this as well. So it's
So fling him on,
multi-purpose.
man.
So look at it. now.
Excuse me. Drizzle him
Drizzle.
on.
Jesus.
There you go. So was chicken all you had? Or did you eat ham?
So we can put these at the front. No, I didn't eat ham. I had
Chicken?
Actually, had curry goat.
Yes. Guys, I'm telling you, we embarked on this journey and we thought that Dwayne was going to stick with me this whole way through. He just abandoned ship, yo.
Chef understands, so when Christmas time come around and the table full of meat,
he just abandoned ship.
I got 364 days without meat.
You're too unsure because remember when you got
That never count. That was last year.
So,
that was last year.
Guys,
that was last year.
For those of us who made it through the Christmas and we didn't touch it, big up on yourself.
All I want to taste is meat.
No.
All I want to taste
I did not.
You eat piece of meat.
I did not.
It's all right. Chef Bobby Jones.
Bless up, Chief.
This look good.
A chef.
And of course, he brought this to tell you what to drink with it.
Yeah,
oh, no, guess what? That was actually used in something.
Oh, you put it in a something?
Yes,
Oh.
See that?
Chef.
Yes, man. I had a bit twist.
Well, since you finished using it,
no, I'm going to build your feet.
I'll just carry this
I'll
little baby
later,
home.
no problem.
More music after the break. Chef.